Welcome to this AI-generated recap of the session on Windows Developer Tools and Productivity Enhancements. Across this deep dive, we'll thoroughly explore the powerful utilities and features designed to elevate your Windows development workflow. From core productivity boosts to seamless integrations. For a full hands-on experience and live demonstrations, don't miss the comprehensive session video available online. This session took a close look at how Windows productivity can be significantly enhanced through a curated set of innovative tools and features created by the Windows developer team. We started by introducing foundational tools like PowerToys, Windows Subsystem for Linux better known as WSL Windows Package Manager, or Winget, and the Fresh Windows Terminal. Each offers distinct capabilities intended to simplify, speed up, and enrich everyday developer tasks on Windows. Behind these tools stands an experienced team drawing rich insights from wide-ranging Windows projects. Importantly, the session offered sneak peeks and live demos of new functionalities, inviting you to explore these developments firsthand in the full recording. At the core of this session were several vital tools that define the modern Windows developer experience. PowerToys emerged as a Swiss Army knife of Windows utilities, dramatically enhancing usability and efficiency. Following that was WSL, which bridges Windows and Linux ecosystems by enabling native Linux distributions to run directly on Windows without virtualization or rebooting, a game-changer for cross-platform development. Winget, the package manager, simplifies software installation and management through command-line commands, boosting automation and repeatability. Finally, Windows Terminal was presented as a sleek, customizable modern command-line interface available via the Microsoft Store, combining multiple shells into one interface. Throughout the session, live demos showed how these tools work in synergy, transforming how developers interact with Windows daily. The demo portion featured exciting updates in PowerToys, beginning with the command palette, a substantial evolution from PowerToys Run offering speedier access, greater extensibility, and deeper user customization. We observed a live demonstration of building extensions, showcasing how approachable it is for developers to enhance their workflows with custom plugins. Another key update included Zoom It, now directly integrated into PowerToys through a partnership with the SIS Internals team, allowing seamless live screen zooms and annotations ideal for presentations and collaborative work, all without needing extra software. Advanced Paste stood out as an intelligent multi-tool for clipboard management, enabling pasting in diverse formats depending on context and enriched with AI-driven features. For example, you can convert HTML snippets to Markdown, paste CSV files as neatly formatted tables with adjustable columns, or extract text from images like serial numbers, all processed locally on your Windows machine. Advanced Paste also streamlines multimedia workflows by converting clipboard videos and audio files on the fly, such as turning a MOV file into MP4 or converting audio to MP3 format. Notably, the new command palette plugin architecture includes deep integration with Winget, letting you search, preview, and install software packages without leaving the palette interface. The session also emphasized vibrant community support, showcasing how developers can scaffold, build, and debug custom plugins with ease evidenced by a detailed demo of a performance monitor plugin tracking CPU and memory usage live inside the palette. All these updates mark a major leap forward, presenting PowerToys as a highly customizable productivity hub. A major highlight of the session was the announcement that Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL, is now open source. This significant step encourages broad community collaboration, enabling developers worldwide to contribute to and shape the evolution of this powerful bridge between Windows and Linux. The session featured collaborations with several leading Linux distributions, including Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, and Arch, confirming WSL's critical position within the developer ecosystem. Industry heavyweights like NVIDIA, Docker, Podman, and creative studios such as DreamWorks rely on WSL for AI workflows, container management, and rendering pipelines, underscoring its versatility. By open sourcing WSL, Microsoft invites the community to explore the core source, customize functionalities, and help drive innovation, fostering a more transparent and participatory development environment. Live demos further shed light on real-world uses of WSL, illustrating how it simplifies cross-platform workflows and boosts developer productivity by running native Linux tools on Windows without complexity. For developers curious about WSL's architecture and internals, the entire source code is now publicly available on GitHub, a treasure trove for those looking to learn or even contribute improvements. Complementing this, comprehensive resources on WSL.dev detail the subsystem structure, components, and the mechanisms enabling seamless Windows-Linux communication. Many developers embed WSL deeply into their daily workflows, exploiting Windows as the host OS while running full Linux environments to manage development tasks efficiently, thus achieving the best of both operating systems. The session emphasized that with WSL fully open source, technical curiosity can be satisfied by diving directly into the codebase, promoting an open culture of experimentation and customization. The demos showcased practical examples of building on and tuning WSL for specific needs, shining a light on these fascinating possibilities. To facilitate exploration, the presentation provides essential URLs to get started with contribution or experimentation immediately. Let's recap the main takeaways from the session to consolidate what you've learned. PowerToys now includes Zoom It, embedded for seamless live annotations right on your screen, perfect for spotlighting key points in presentations or team collaborations. Advanced Paste enhances clipboard functionality, letting you paste content in various formats intelligently, including the innovative feature of media format conversions, like turning video clipboards from MOV into MP4 or MP3 for audio, all processed locally without external tools. The new command palette, fresh from its launch, offers extensive extensibility through plugins and integrates closely with Winget, allowing software management straight from the launcher interface for rapid package discovery and installation. At Windows Insider Builds are introducing upgraded File Explorer and integrated version control features, promising smoother and more effective developer workflows in the near future. Meanwhile, in command line utilities, fresh open-source releases like Edit and Winget's configuration, Export, Dark Import Demo Showing Profile, and Theme Preference Sharing Point to even richer tooling. Windows Terminal is evolving with better tab management through profile folders and improved path translation that greatly benefits WSL users. Finally, WSL's open sourcing marks a new chapter for community-driven innovation, offering transparency, collaboration, and endless customization possibilities. The live demos during the full session displayed how to create command palette plugins and optimize Windows developer setups with Winget configurations, highly recommended for an in-depth technical grasp. Plus, the Windows Developer Experience team remains available for more personal guidance. Wrapping up, here are the key resources and links provided during the session to help you begin exploring these powerful Windows developer tools yourself. The session shared GitHub repositories for PowerToys, Windows Terminal, Winget, WSL, and Edit, perfect for keeping up with the latest updates and accessing source code to deepen your involvement. Centralized documentation links cover everything from customizing the command palette to detailed guides on Terminal and PowerToys features, making it easy for both beginners and advanced developers to find tutorials and get started quickly. And for those who prefer seeing the tools in action, the full session video offers extensive demos and practical developer tips that you won't want to miss. Additionally, the Developer Experience team is reachable through social platforms and GitHub to support your questions and community engagement. Bookmarking this slide will ensure you have all the essential materials needed as you dive into experimenting or contributing to these exciting Windows developer technologies.